Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a new tutorial inside SolidWorks assembly. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how can you use the rack and pinion mechanisms. Now to use it, first let me sketch on the front plane and make it normal. I will draw a circle and draw a midpoint line like this. And what to do, I will just keep the smart dimension, keep it 50 millimeter, and this one 150, and between distance as 35, and select. And let me do one thing, draw a center line and let me make a relation, and between this point, and this line, make them symmetrical. Okay, my sketch is fully defined, and now I'm going to exact my sketch. Now I will drag some components. First I will drag a spur gear. Okay, module keep through, number of teeth 25, pressure angle 20, test at 10 millimeter, nominal shaft diameter, which is this one, that is 10 millimeter, and a square keyway, show teeth are 25. Now I need only one. I will cancel it. See, and let me do one thing. Come here and come to quick cut. Come here and hide it for now. And let me make a mate, and between this face, come to mate, and here I will select my front plane. But to do this, first let me make it float, and between this face and mate, and come to front plane. See, and flip dimension. Okay, and the next mate, that is in between this hole and this circle, make a concentric mate. Okay, and okay. Now next I will drag my rack. See, I will drag my rack. Now module cube 2, each and everything is same like for spur gear, but here length keep 150 millimeter. Okay, I don't need the next one. Cancel it, and we'll make a mate, and between this face and this face, make a coincident mate. Okay, let me drag it down like this, and let me make another mate, and between this line and this edge, make a coincident mate. Okay, and let me drag it like this. See, and okay, let me do one thing and make it normal, and let me adjust and align the tooth like this. I think it's perfectly aligned right now. Now let me hide all the sketches, and let me do one thing. I will come to the sketch, let me hide it, and again I will come to quick cut, make visible, and this time I will come to mate and rack and pinion, and after that, and rack I will select this lower edge, and pinion let me select this pitch circle, this outer pitch circle for now. Okay, again say okay, hide all the sketches, and now see, right? Now you will go for the motion study. Come to motion study, get up and drag it up to 8 seconds. We'll go for the seconds. Come to basic motion, keep it 25, keep this one high, 3D contact high, okay, and we will make a contact in between this and this, okay. You will apply motor over here and reverse the direction, and here keep RPM 12, okay, and here let me decrease the speed of the spur gear and let me calculate. See, that's worked perfectly. And let me do one thing, let me keep up to 4 seconds. Again play and see, get down. Now let me assign some color. Okay, play, stop it now, and let me assign some color. Come to appearance, spur gear, and let me come to car. And here I will select like this, and pinion. Let me come to appearance, rack spur, and this one let me choose yellow, okay, and let's play. See, so hopefully you understand and enjoy this tutorial. If you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel, then press the notification bell icon so that you receive the upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.